Joyquilts in Ardrossan, Alberta, about 20 minutes east of Sherwood Park, Edmonton. Today we're quilting some chameleons on a jelly roll quilt. It's kind of a cute little pattern, and we decided to make the chameleons really big because it kind of calls for a bigger pattern, being that it is a strip quilt. We're using polysheen thread, which is our favorite. It tends to be color fast, and it's polyester, so it won't bleach out. The design we've chosen is the one that comes with the Chromatic software, so it comes with the Bernina. And there are a lot of designs that come with it, and most of them are really, really nice. We used a lot of them. We probably used 90% of them already, which is pretty good considering somebody else picked them, and we really like them. Working on our Bernina Q24 with Chromatic and Art and Stitch software version 5. We can pretty much do whatever we want with the designs. This one we pretty much used right out of the box. We just made it bigger. Stretched and scooted a little bit to fit the area that we want it to fit in, and it's going across the quilt pretty quickly. You can see us at joyquilts.com, contact us at joyquilts@hotmail.com, or you can catch us on Facebook or Instagram. So now it's going back and doing, I think, the tail. Oh, no, it's doing another foot. These are continuous line designs so that you can, where one starts and the other one stops, they meet nicely, so you don't have to do any kind of alteration to them. They start and stop on the same point, which is pretty good. Sometimes you'll find a design that doesn't quite match up, but then you can take it back to artwork in the software and you can tweak those and add lines and take lines away and make it so that it actually fits perfectly. But most of these are beautifully done. They're already that way, so you don't have to do anything other than line them up, stretch and skew them, and put them on the quilt. So that's chameleon quilting for today.